Hey guys, Husker back with another video. And today, July 11th, the new Superman movie came out. So, in celebration, I've got the new Superman Blizzard. So, this has sprinkles in it, which are red, yellow, and blue. They have cookie dough pieces in it, and and it's supposed to taste like cake batter. So, it's the Superman cake batter cookie dough Blizzard. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. I am cautiously optimistic for the movie. So, ooh, okay. So, the cake batter, in terms of the actual Blizzard, isn't overpowering. It just tastes like a vanilla cake batter, and then the actual cookie dough pieces are sugar cookie. Which is really good. So, it really reminds me of, if you guys have ever tried that mixing bowl Blizzard, it really reminds me of that. But it's more vanilla, which I really like. The sugar cookie tastes really good. And the cake batter tastes like cake batter. Very artificially, though, in terms of the cake batter. But it tastes pretty good. It's like a vanilla or a golden, or not golden, a yellow cake mix. And I really like it. I love the fact, I have to tell you guys this too. You guys can see that it's nice. It's a nice light blue. And the red, yellow, and blue sprinkles are a nice touch to it. Especially considering the fact that this is the same price as their regular Blizzards. So I don't know how much a medium Blizzard is going to be where you're watching this from, but it's going to be the same price. The reason why I mention this is because Dairy Queen has a habit of, if you want sprinkles in your desserts, it's like 50 cents extra. So it's not like they charge you. You get free sprinkles with it. So that's pretty nice. The cookie dough pieces are really nice because they're not super tough to chew. They're like a nice soft cookie dough. And the actual Blizzard itself, like, it tastes sweet, but it's not overpowering in cake batter, and it's not overpowering in the cookie dough. Which is surprising to me, because I would have totally thought that, especially when you say the Blizzard's a cake batter flavor, you would think it's very overpowered in it. But it really isn't. It's got a nice balance, and if you're wanting to try just a cake batter, you can do that. But you might get a little bit of the cookie dough pieces because some of it got broken and put it mixed. But overall, what do I think of this? I think this is pretty good. Is it a little overpriced for a Blizzard? No, like I said, it's the same price as a regular Blizzard. So it's not, it's not like they jack the prices up a little bit to have the DC logo or something on it. It's the same price. And it's pretty good. With the mixing bowl one, my main problem was that it's a lot of chocolate. This, it's nice because you got the vanilla and it's not overpowering because you have the cookie dough there to offset it. So, what do I rate this? Honestly, I'd say this is a solid 8 out of 10. This is really good. If you don't like cookie dough, or if you don't like the artificial cake batter flavored stuff, you're not going to like it. But if you're like me and really like it, I would highly recommend trying it out. So that is my review of the new Superman Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. Just rolls off the tongue. Overall, I don't think there's really much to fix about it. Although the only downside is it does feel like a copycat to the Mixing Bowl one. But I don't have a problem with that because it's a lot more different than the Mixing Bowl one. So overall, I would rate that an 8 out of 10. And if you guys are going to check out the new Superman movie, James Gunn's the one that directed it. David Corenswet is the one that's playing Superman. Check it out. I think I'm planning on doing that myself. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, do all that YouTuber stuff. And until next time, take care.